In that surah, Allah Azza wa Jalla says, إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لِرَبِّهِ لَكَنُودٌ. No doubt the human being is very disloyal, ungrateful to his master. وَإِنَّهُ عَلَى ذَلِكَ لَشَهِيدٌ. And no doubt he is a witness to that truth. وَإِنَّهُ لِحُبِّ الْخَيْرِ لَشَدِيدٌ. There is no doubt his love of good, his love of stuff, things in dunya is very intense. And now Allah is saying your love is so intense, that He said in that surah. In this surah He's saying your love of those things is so intense, it ends up doing what? Distracting you. So it's the next step. What did that love end up doing? It ended up distracting you. There's a solid connection between the two things. Al-Zamakhshari comments, إِذَا شَغَلَهُ. Meaning, this plentiness or this desire, it kept you busy. Not only in your mind, but even in your activities, it kept you busy. He defines takathur as following: التباري في الكثرة والتباهي بها, to show off in plentiness and to be proud of it in and of yourself. وأن يقول هؤلاء نحن أكثر وهؤلاء نحن أكثر. And so that someone would say, we have more. And the other would say, no, we have more. And that's what your entire life would be spent. Just saying who has more and who has less. Subhanallah. At-Takathur commented again by Ash-Shawkani rahimahullah, تَفَاخَرُوا أَيُّهُمْ أَكْثَرُ عَدَدًا. That they show off to one another who has more in terms of what. And then he says, أَوْ أَرَادَ أَلْهَاكُمُ التَّكَاثُرُ بِالْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَوْلَادِ إِلَىٰ أَن مُتُّمْ وَقُبِرْتُمْ. Very important comment. He said the distractions, perhaps are distractions of money and children. The distractions that Allah is talking about, takathur, is two things, money and children. Why is He saying that? When ilha is mentioned elsewhere, what does Allah say? لَا تُلْهِكُمْ أَمْوَالُكُمْ وَلَا أَوْلَادُكُمْ. With the verb for distraction associated in the Quran is with wealth, assets and children. That's one place. Another place is takathur. So in Surah Al-Hadith He says, وَتَكَاثُرٌ فِي الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَوْلَادِ. So with the first word of the ayah, ilha, we also find amwal and awlad. With the second word, takathur, in the Quran, we also find amwal and awlad. We find both things. So both amwal, meaning assets and children, we want more and more and more for them, or of them. And at the same time, both of them are incredible distractions from our real purpose in life. They can become enormous distractions. When Allah says takathurun fil amwal, it means, or fil awlad, it means you want more for your children. In other words, this competition, I should have more than the other. It transcends into your children. You say, my kid should have more than the other guy's kid. My kid should make it to the team. Why did he get picked? Why did that one get an A and mine got a B? I'm going to go complain to the teacher. How come his son got a B? Well, it has nothing to do with your son. Your son got a C for his own reasons. That has nothing to do with him. But you're always comparing yours to someone else's. So this becomes petty, not just for you, but even for your children.